Can install bandwidth monitor in Kubuntu, Ubuntu, and Linux Mint. Open a terminal and type sudo apt install BMON. Enter Y for yes. Okay, I'm switching to a terminal with a smaller text size. You just enter BMON to start the monitor. And you press D to get more information at the bottom. Then you can press I to get even more information. Then in the upper left, you can see the highlighted square by LO. That's the loopback interface. You want to use the down arrow to select EN01, which is my Ethernet connection. Okay, the next box is the receive bits per second, and the box on the right is transmit. And these two areas right here is a graphical representation of the receive and transmit. Down here, these four boxes are mostly errors. This is a good tool checking for transmit and receive errors for troubleshooting purposes. And down at the bottom you can see your MTU, your MAC address, broadcast address, and some other information. And you can adjust the size of the window. And if you press the question mark, you'll get this quick reference guide. And you press the question mark again to get out of the quick reference. Enter Q to quit bandwidth monitor. DL and I will toggle some of the statistics. You can also start BMON with a -P and then the name of your Ethernet interface. That way it won't show the loopback. And then press D and I again. Okay, and here's a zoomed in view of bandwidth monitor. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.